Good morning, dear student. Now, next heading of chapter number 4 is 4.1.2, that is provisions as per companies, that is share capital and debentures rule 2014, that is rule 18. If a company issues secure debenture, अगर कंपनी secure debenture issue करती है, right? So company must fulfill the following condition. They have to fulfill what condition? Point number 1, tenure of secure debenture. Tenure means what? Period. Secure debenture का कितना period होना चाहिए? All secure debenture should be redeemed within 10 years. 10 years के अंदर redeem होना चाहिए from the date of it issue, जब वो issue करेगा. Only certain companies like companies engage in infrastructure project or companies permitted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, central government or RBI can issue debentures beyond a period of 10 years but not exceeding 30 years. Right? Second, create charge on assets. Company has to create a charge on the assets of the company or its subsidiary company or holding company. The value of charge should be adequate to cover the entire value of debenture issued and interest to be paid on it. If a government company issues secure debentures, अगर वो issue करती है secure debenture which has central or state government guarantee, then it need not create any charge on it asset. Have you understood what they want to say? कंपनी अगर इशू करी है सिक्योर डिवेंचर, राइट, जिसका सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की गारंटी हो, तो उसके ऊपर कोई चार्ज नहीं होगा एसेट्स पे. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ डिवेंचर ट्रस्टीज बिफोर इशूइंग प्रोस्पेक्टस और ऑफर लेटर, दी company has to appoint a debenture trustee. Company also has to execute a debenture trust deed either before issuing prospectus or offer letter or within 60 days from the date of allotment of debenture. The deed contains what it contains? The terms and conditions agreed upon by the company and the trustees and clearly state the role of the debenture trustees. Okay. The next point is create debenture redemption reserve. Company has to create a debenture redemption reserve account out of the profit available for payment of debenture. Company has to maintain at least 25% of the value of its outstanding debenture in the debenture redemption reserve account. Company has to invest or deposit on or before they have to deposit. Who? Company have to deposit 30th April each year. 30th April each year. A sum not less than 15% of the amount of it debentures maturing. Maturing means what? That is maturity period. जब तक वो पीरियड का उसका ये रहेगा, फिक्स पीरियड जो दिया रहेगा डिवेंचर्स होल्डर को. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर एंडिंग on 31st March of the next year, money from this account is used for redemption of debenture. It is used for redemption of debenture. So 4 point is given for provision as per companies, share capital and debenture, that is tenure of secure debenture, create charge on assets, appointment of debenture trustees, and 4th point is create debenture redemption reserve. Thank you.